The Clarke PSW2 Rechargeable Plastic Stapler Welding Kit delivers fast, effective repairs for cracked and damaged plastic components. Using a heat-based stapling system, it melts and welds plastic surfaces together, reinforcing cracks with strong internal metal staples for a durable and long-lasting repair. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it offers cordless convenience for working in tight or awkward spaces, with up to 400 staple heat cycles from a single charge for extended use. The adjustable head design allows improved access to difficult repair areas, while the simple trigger operation ensures easy, controlled use during application. Quick to heat up and easy to operate, it is designed to deliver efficient repairs without the need for complex tools or specialist training. Compact, portable and practical, the Clarke PSW2 Rechargeable Plastic Stapler Welding Kit is a dependable solution for fast and effective plastic repairs.